So let me see if I understand that correctly. It's like you're basically trying to get something out as quick as possible to make sure that there's something, right? So in that sense, it is the MVP.
Yeah,
You're
yeah.
getting something out, but you're not cutting corners. You're just making sure that, because like you said, there's a lot of time spent in this
This
labeling process and cleaning the data and all of that.
you as in every MVP, you have an idea of what the solution will be, and that solution MVP doesn't mean terrible. You don't cut corners. You are working with good techniques, good engineering mindset, and deliver a product, which is production quality. It doesn't mean your biggest problem, for example, in a natural language processing context, is you don't know what the problems are. Even if your best attempts not going to reveal you all the problems. And one of the problems what we find is labeling instructions. They are not. You are not thinking of all the edge cases. You have some kind of idea. For example, in a fine-grained topic modeling situation, you have a half-page text for the labelers of that's what we mean by, let's say, news about economic activity. While they are labeling, they are start giving us feedback on is this article, which category it is in. You either update your labeling and then relabel a lot of text, or you just keep on labeling and then you are creating a data set which is incorrect. But as they are labeling, you are deploying this model into production, and you are going to get a set of labeled articles, model labeled articles, which you can review and say that where are the errors and where are the positive ones, and where do you agree with them. And from that information, you immediately update the labeling exercise. You immediately relabel certain articles. You create a new model candidate and compare the previous model to the new model, whether that's reflected on these changes. And that is what starts creating the iterative
loop
model creation. And to be able to do that, you need an extraordinary strong engineering mindset, because all of these components happening at the same time. So you are training the model while the labelers start labeling on something different, and you incorporate them in the next iteration. Because I think that's one of the most important thing of agile machine learning or lean ML is those components of labeling, data cleaning, model training, evaluation, they are happening at the same time. There are several teams at the moment who are working on each of the components while without synchronization, because that's the only way to break up the waterfall structure, because otherwise you are just having waterfall in a circle, if that makes sense.